He has officially taken off the wrap of the second generation DesertX. The brand said the new model has been redesigned from the ground up, drawing on an experience gained from multi-rally competitions. The new DesertX follows the footsteps of some models like the Panigale V2, Multistrada V2 by adopting a new 890cc Ducati V2 engine. This slightly smaller displacement peak remains unchanged at 110 bhp, while Ducati claiming 70% of the peak torque is up for as low as 3000 rpm. Gear ratio has been tailor-made strictly for the DesertX with shorter for longer 6 gear. The engine acts as a central element within the all-new model. Ducati made many revisions to the suspension. The fully adjustable KYB component includes a US fork offering 230mm of travel front rear monocoque that's now use a unique full floater linkage system with 220mm of travel. Braking is handled by Brembo M432 monoblock. DesertX rides on 21 inches tubeless forked wheel and 18-inch rear wheel. Economic changes includes more rear set forks with the seat and handlebar really forward. The new 18-liter fuel tank is slimmer and light. Ducati states the fuel mass has been positioned lower to help reduce the bike's center of gravity. It stands at 880 mm, which can be low 840 mm. Claimed 209 kilogram weight. The new DesertX is light by the predecessor by 1 kilo. It comes equipped with directional shifter, cruise control, and 6-axis IMU, the ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control. Players can choose between 6 riding modes. Information is displayed on the new 5-inch screen. Deliveries will start in Europe by 2026. Ducati has confirmed the bike will come to India by Q4 2026.